I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Vlogmas. What even is today's Vlogmas? Are we halfway through yet? I haven't been keeping track. I'm sure we're halfway through. Oh yeah, we definitely are. Today is day 14. Wow, more than halfway through Vlogmas. How did we end up here? It's going so fast. But I hope you guys are enjoying it so far. I guess this is a little check-in. What do you guys think? Do you have any comments, suggestions? Let me know. It's crazy how close we're getting to Christmas now too. It's like really wild. But let's see, today is Monday, so another work day ahead. I'm tired, but that is okay. We're going to get through it. I forget if I already mentioned this in a video. I think I did, but my building shut down our coffee machine for COVID reasons, which I am all for, obviously, COVID safety procedures. Duh, like we are not doing well here in Los Angeles. I don't know, it's just, to me, a way that my building is trying to save money. Of course, I really do understand for COVID stuff. Our building really is just trying their best to follow, you know, the CDC guidelines. I understand. It's just sort of frustrating. Anyway, because of that, we're taking a walk to Starbucks. I see my Starbucks spending going way up with this. Whoa, cute little, oh, never mind. I was showing a cute little holiday screen. There we go. Ready in 10 minutes. Perfect. Such a cold gray morning here in LA. Not the prettiest. This time, but I still don't think that this was like the really cute one that I saw. So the mission continues. Oh, there's a spider crawling on this. Oh no. No, get away. Is he gone? Okay, I think he's gone. Hope he landed somewhere. He was very tiny, but what the heck? Spider on my drink. Don't love that. Molly Cat, there was a spider on my drink. What if it's on me now? Ugh. I don't think it is. It's fine. It was very tiny. Tiny little spider, huh? Molly is obsessed with me this morning, you guys. She's been just like bawling her eyes out, crying at me. Look at her. You're just very cuddly. She slept with me all night long. This morning when I like first woke up, she was immediately like crying, like wanted to be on me. What's the deal? You just love me a lot this morning? I love you too. Spider-free chai. Gotta love it. I don't even know what I have to do today. I have a call at 11 for this like big project that I'm working on for one of my clients, which is very cool, but honestly, at least what I have on my to-do list right now is not so bad for today. Probably more needs to go on here, but we'll see. It definitely will still be a full day, but hopefully not a long or late day. Poor Connor has to work so much this week. I feel really bad. He's gonna have a late night tonight and tomorrow he's gonna be pulling like 13-hour days, both days, which sucks. I really feel bad for him. So it goes sometimes, right? So we probably won't see him until like later this week, honestly. I don't know, maybe Wednesday. We never go that long without seeing each other. We are the only human contact that the other has. But that's okay, because I got my cat. Boop. All right, well, I guess I need to get started on work here now. Mondays, they are hard, you guys. I struggle, but we're gonna get going. Please look at this cat, just desperate to snuggle. Molly, you cannot pass this line. If you can make yourself comfortable on this, no, look at her. She's trying to step over. Molly Cat, no. No, no, Molly, there's just not enough room here for all of us. Oh my gosh, okay, fine. So silly. Okay, 1:39 p.m. This afternoon is flying by. I just looked at the clock a second ago and it was 12 and now it's 1:39. So we're gonna make some lunch, but we are making some good progress on our to-do list. I think the only thing that's really gonna keep me up or working later, not even up later, is just editing. So it's not that big of a deal, it's fine. But we are making our way through. I think for lunch, I'm going to make a salad or maybe a salad wrap. And I'm gonna give my mom a call while I do it. So let's go. Actually, super quickly, you guys, I just got some groceries. A couple really basic things, some cat litter for Molly Cat, green bell pepper. Oh yeah, we got some fun stuff too, actually, for something a little different. 2 ramen packs for ramen bowls. I got 2 zucchinis. Whoa, they found really big ones this time. That's nice. Love that. And a cucumber. I got some razors, which is nice. I got, wow, this is a really small bag. I got some dishwasher pods. How many comes in here? 14. Okay, well, at least I have some to use for now. And then I got a cream of potato soup, which is one of my favorite soups. And then this is something new. This is an autumn squash soup from Panera. So maybe we'll try this tomorrow, just because I am sort of craving a wrap, but I'm super intrigued to try this, and I thought that would be good. I want to incorporate more soups because I really liked having those Trader Joe's soups, but since I can't go to Trader Joe's a lot, I saw this one and figured we would give it a try, so there you go. All right, anyway, let's go ahead and make my salad now. It is 5:20 p.m. I actually just had a crazy productive last hour there from 4:20 to 5:20 or like around, I guess that's maybe an exaggeration, maybe it was more like 3:45 to 5:20, but anyway, very productive. And now I really do want to shoot some content quickly for Quantum using my Lightbox, so I'm gonna quickly do that. So it'll probably be like another hour of work with that stuff, which is not so bad. And then we are done for the night, which is so exciting. Also guys, I've been doing a terrible job of watching holiday movies. Honestly, I usually rely on going home and then like me and my parents just binge a ton of Christmas movies together. Since that's not happening this year, that's really sad. Okay, we're not getting sensitive about this yet. Suck them in. Oh my God. Oh my God. Anyways, since I'm not going home this year, I better get a move on. So I figured I would throw a holiday movie on while I do this content creation. Man, I'm really sad about that. What should we watch? You know, I haven't even seen like The Grinch yet, so I feel like let's just start with that. Throw that guy on. Iconic, hilarious. You know, I have to say I really do love Jim Carrey's The Grinch. I feel like there's been some discussion online about like that not being the best Grinch. I mean, the original animated is obviously like perfect and like just feels like the holidays because it's so like, I don't know. I love you so much. Just feels like the holidays. I totally am with you on that. But which movie do I enjoy watching the most? I think it's Jim Carrey's The Grinch. I don't think I ever watched the new animated Grinch, so maybe that one would like be in there somewhere too. What are you doing? Oh, you're just yawning in my face. I love you. Which Grinch is your favorite? What holiday movie is your favorite, actually, just in general? Would love to know. I'm gonna put on Jim Carrey's The Grinch because it's so good. Oh, you know what else I have so many Christmas movies that I want to watch, actually. I obviously need to watch Miracle on 34th Street because I haven't watched that yet this year, which is so bad. I need to watch that. I really want to watch The Man Who Created Christmas. Is that what it's called? I'm pretty sure. Newer movie, so good, you guys. Just like a sort of play on Christmas Carol. Or not a play on, but you guys will get it if you ever watch it. And then obviously I also need to watch George C. Scott's A Christmas Carol, which is the best version of A Christmas Carol, and that is not up for debate, unlike this Grinch one. So those are like some of the main ones on my list. What are some of your favorite Christmas movies? All of that to say that I'm gonna put on The Grinch. Okay, officially wrapped up work for the night. It's 7:30 now, so not too bad all in all. A little later than I thought it would work, but that's okay. And I actually want to do our little DIY now. I don't even know what to call this. Garland, or I don't know, this bead garland, I guess is what I'll call it. If you missed it, I'm making this to go on this little thing on my coffee table. Finally getting around to it. It's like almost Christmas, but whatever, who cares? Okay, I don't know exactly what I'm doing here, but we're gonna see. I'll have this kit linked down below in case you're interested in taking a look at this or making something yourself too. So, I feel like I need like a photo, a reference photo. Actually, I have to go to the bathroom, so I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Let me just grab this. I'm just gonna put this at the end of my string to make it easier to like string the beads on there. I think I just have to try to envision this. Let's see. Have like a little bit there. This will sort of like wrap around there, I think. Maybe here and around this way. Something maybe sort of like that. I don't know. Okay. I have a tentative length here. I'm just gonna start stringing this and see what happens. This is a wing it project, you know? I'm gonna keep the Grinch going in the background while I work on this. Something else I also did is I sort of like snipped this on an angle. I don't know if you guys can tell at all, but that way it's a little bit easier to string the beads. Seems to be working. All right, let's see how this will look. I'm sort of thinking wraps around here a little. And then there. Yeah, I think that that's pretty good. Now I just need to figure out what I want to do with the ends. In case you guys are wondering if you get the same kit, the order that I went in is small bead, medium bead, small bead, large bead, small bead, medium, small, large, small, medium, small, large. So there's always a small in between, which I think made it look really nice. Let's figure out this tassel situation. This could be the death of us. Oh man. Guys, my back is hurting so badly that like moving in any way is pretty painful, which is obviously not good. Okay, here we go, tassels. I feel like my palm is too small. I need to include my thumb in it, I think. Small hand problems. All right, okay. Just remove my hand. Ugh. Okay, got it. Now we're just gonna snip this near the end here. Sorry, let me move you guys down so that you can sort of see, because I can't do this up high. I need the floor. Floor is my friend. Okay, so I have my loops here. Carefully sit those down. Grab another piece of twine. Start by just knotting it. Wrap that around a few times. Guys, I can't believe how good this DIY is coming out. I am a DIYer yet again. Look at me go. Nice and tight there. I might knot that one more time if I can, but one thing at a time. And now you just cut through all of these loops. Ha-ha! Look at that. Not so bad, you guys. I do wish that this was like a little bit more connected, but I don't really know how to fix that. Maybe I could tie it together, super glue it. But for the most, like, who cares? It's just gonna be sitting, so you won't really be able to tell. Yeah. All right, let's do the other side. That worked out great, actually. Yeah, there we go. All right, you guys. I feel pretty damn accomplished from doing this, I'm not gonna lie. I think it turned out really cute. So trendy. All right, let's see how I actually wanna get these set up. I don't even know how to do this. How do you make laying beads look cute and natural? Should it be going like off the tray maybe? The art of making things look natural, I'm obviously struggling. Yeah, that looks pretty cute, I think. Like, you know, I don't really know what to do with this shit. Sort of like that, maybe. Oh my God, I love it. That is adorable, and I am so excited. Very successful DIY, you guys. Now I really desperately need to sit down because my back is really hurting, like just walking is really hurting it right now. I don't know why it's in so much pain, but I really just need to not be moving for a second, and then I'll check with you guys. Oh, it's already 8 o'clock. I'm gonna make dinner in like 10 minutes, but I just need to sit for 10 minutes then. Okay, for dinner tonight, we're making the leftovers of that homemade gnocchi that I made earlier in Vlogmas. So I froze a bunch of them and you cook them straight from frozen, although I was sort of worried about this, that they're like so stuck together. Just don't wanna drop them all in like one big chunk. I'm afraid they'll cook together that way. I am very excited for this. Again, I really want to take one right now, but I'm trying to control myself. Take a look at this, you guys. Oh my God. I am so excited to dive into this all over again. It's gonna be so good. Okay, as always, our nightly taste test of our dinner. Honestly, just as good as last time. I think I want some more nutritional yeast on there. Oh my God, this is gonna be so good. It is already 9:08 p.m. I am so tired, my back hurts so badly and it just like won't crack. Oh my God, that hurts so badly even to try to crack it. Oh my god. Okay. So I just need to relax. I'm gonna put on an episode of The Crown and probably be in bed in like an hour. Alrighty guys, that is it for my night. It is about 10:30 right now. I watched an episode of Schitt's Creek after The Crown. Just one last one. And now I'm off to bed. So thank you guys for watching today. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you tomorrow.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?